Hello, thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video leading up to the Learning and Development Group conversation coming up on August 9th. I'm Samantha Lee. I'm on the Learning and Development team. Just going to take a couple minutes to call out some highlights in our slide deck and looking forward to chatting with you all on Monday. On this slide, pretty exciting to see the Learning and Development team growing a lot this past quarter. We've hired Arena, who is our new instructional designer, and also starting next week is our new learning systems administrator. So welcome to the team, Jamie. Since our last group conversation, a few things that we wanted to highlight. Myself and JC are trained to deliver the Crucial Conversations training to team members, and currently we're in the process of leading our first cohort through that Crucial Conversations training. We are also hosting the Skill of the Month. This month is career development. JC has done some really amazing work to encourage team members to prioritize their career development this month with some really great trainings around having career conversations with your manager, with your direct reports, and also building and using an individual growth plan. We also have our newsletters that have recently been published. We have our FY22 Q3 L&D newsletter published, and also the third edition of our mental health newsletter. And then finally, in addition, with a lot of other collaboration with teams who are really embracing GitLab Learn and creating learning material, we collaborated with the technical writing team and the support team to explore ways that they can use GitLab Learn to train their team members and onboard their team members. A couple of lowlights. We continue to have a lot of manual tasks in LXP administration. That's been kind of taking focus and energy away from our team to be able to work on different initiatives. But we're hoping with this new learning systems administrator role that we're able to better allocate resources to these tasks so that our team can be producing great development opportunities for the rest of the GitLab team. Just wanted to take a second as well to highlight a couple of existing opportunities that you can use to learn new skills and develop here as a GitLab team member. We have the growth and development benefit for team members, an upcoming Crucial Conversations training cohort, which I'll talk about in a few minutes. Also encouraging you, if you haven't yet, to sign up to be part of the CEO Shadow Program or the Internship for Learning. Both are really great learning opportunities and really on-the-job learning opportunities here at GitLab. In addition to all of these other resources, one more that I want to call out is that in our handbook, we have resources for you to both find a mentor here at GitLab or make yourself available to be a mentor for others. So if you have an interest in mentorship, you can check out these resources in the handbook. In our key metrics section, a few things that I wanted to call out is our team member metrics for the GitLab Learn. That's our learning experience platform hosted by Edcast. You can see our metrics from June to July. We had an overall increase in the percent of team members who are active on the platform, who completed one or more courses, and total courses completed by team members in the month. A few reasons that these increases may be showing up is that over this last quarter, all team members had a required training from the legal department to complete. Our sales division had a required training to complete. And also we've had an increased adoption and use of our LinkedIn Learning licenses. So all great things encouraging our team members to be using GitLab Learn to access required and preferred trainings. On the next few slides, you can see a couple of different screenshots from metrics from our reporting tool that show our actively engaged team members per month and completions of the different offerings that the Learning and Development team has on our LXP. We also have some LinkedIn Learning metrics. We currently have 28 licenses available. So if you are a GitLab team member and you're interested in getting access to LinkedIn Learning, reach out to the Learning and Development team in our Slack channel, Learning and Development, and we can help make sure you get set up there. Again, we have some metrics from June to July where there's an increase in the percentage of team members who are utilizing LinkedIn Learning. Pretty much the same for hours viewed and pretty similar for percentage of team members with one or more courses completed. But overall, that's a pretty big jump of total courses completed per month. So this is exciting to see more team members taking advantage and making use of LinkedIn Learning material. And then we also have some Coursera course metrics included, which is the course created by GitLab on Coursera called How to Manage a Remote Team, with some information on growth and completion over the last few months. Okay, going to take just the last couple of minutes to highlight a few different programs that we have going on and coming up from the L&D team. First off, would love to highlight this learning styles survey that Arena, our instructional designer, has created to get a sense of how GitLab team members want to learn and what they prefer when it comes to learning and training here at GitLab. So if you have 5 minutes, please click this link and take the survey. It'd be super helpful for us moving forward. Like I said a few minutes ago, August is our career development skill of the month. Each week, JC is featuring different career development conversations and trainings for our team members. You can find more about career development in our career development handbook page. And also you can find all of the different videos and trainings to watch and review in the Skill of the Month channel, which is inside GitLab Learn. Crucial conversations, I also mentioned a little while ago. Right now, JC and I are leading our first cohort of about 18 team members through the Crucial Conversations training. It's going really well, and we have some really cool early feedback from this first cohort that's helping us iterate with each new session. If you are interested in getting involved in the next Crucial Conversations cohort, that's going to be happening in October. There's a sign-up form here. If you fill out that sign-up form, it will indicate that you are available to attend the live trainings happening in October. If you want to read more about what Crucial Conversations is, we have Crucial Conversations documented in the leadership section of the handbook, which you can find at this link. And then finally, another thing that's been going really well from the learning and development team is the development of learning hubs and trainings that are being contributed by GitLab team members. We've pulled a few different examples of how this is turning out for each team because it's looking a little bit different on each team depending on what the needs and roles are. So if you want to take some time to look through these examples, or if you are in any of these divisions and you want to look at the development that your leadership is suggesting, there's some links here to the product management, marketing, finance, and development channels in GitLab Learn. And then finally, to close things out, just a couple of things to watch for from our team coming up. Like I said, Crucial Conversation starts again in October. We have a new GitLab certification for team members coming thanks to Arena, our instructional designer. We'll be onboarding our new learning systems administrator. We'll be building out some documentation for best practices for learning content creation that we really hope is going to better support the team members who are passionate about learning and development and are creating really cool trainings and opportunities for other team members. In October, we'll host another manager challenge and we'll have some more CEO handbook learning sessions to be recorded. Thanks again for taking some time to watch this. We're looking forward to chat with you on Monday. If you have any questions leading up to that, you can always reach out to us in Slack. And we will talk to you soon. Thanks.